Hello, I'm Omar Hoek. I'm the CEO of the Vitec Group. It's obviously a great privilege to be part of a group of people that represent the manufacturing here in the UK, and especially as a non-UK citizen, I'm even more privileged to be part of this. Obviously, manufacturing is a very tangible environment. You process raw materials, there's transformation, and you give it purpose to an end-use application. So for those people that are very tangible and visually oriented like myself, this was a great place to be, and I started very early in my career to do things with my hands, and this is where I ended up, in manufacturing. Obviously, over the last 3 decades of my professional life, I've seen a lot of changes. Safety has become much more important, the well-being of people, data-driven decision-making, the environment, but ultimately also to try to balance private and professional life in such a way that everyone can accommodate their aspirations and their desires. So a lot of changes in this industry. For the younger generation, working in manufacturing is a great place to be. You can innovate, you can be curious, and you can work on sustainable solutions. Obviously, for the youngsters these days, when you're extremely curious and try to learn and apply and give things purpose, like application-driven materials, manufacturing industry is a tremendous opportunity to deploy all these characteristics. So that's my recommendation for the youngsters. Be curious and try.